Hey, so you want to know how to build your business online so you could start making money in network marketing or affiliate marketing? Well, you came to the right place and I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. A couple years back, if you don't know who I am, I'm Gio Gianta, and I was $87,000 in debt. I was stressed, I was depressed. I didn't know what I would do. I didn't know how I would get out of my situation. I wanted to build a business online and I wanted it to be meaningful. I wanted it to be something that could help other people to achieve their goals and to be able to, get results as well. And whenever I brought my business from offline to online, that's when I started seeing results, because at that point I was having targeted people who were looking for me, coming to me, asking me about business and how they could get started. And, as you could see right here, I'm on the leaderboards for this week, and I've been on the leaderboards consistently, and I'm going to show you how you could do that consistently and be able to build your business online, so that way you're making sales in your sleep even while you're sleeping, and you're finding the right people who come to you asking you for help, right? Who want to be a part of your opportunity. They're pretty much putting their hand up and telling you that they want to be in there, right? So having a sales funnel is important because it allows you to actually, capture contact information. So within this platform, this whole website was built off of these tools. Within this platform is what I've learned to do is be able to leverage tools to be able to build my business. So, pretty much within a sales funnel, within this, they tell you where to start at. They tell you start right here, and then they tell you how to build any kind of business in 3 simple steps. And when somebody comes through your sales funnel, they'll land on a page with a video that looks like this. And this might be your sales video, whatever. And this is just an example of how a sales funnel works. So they put in their email, and the page might say, find out the 5 easiest ways to build your business online without having to look for people, right? And then they put in their email. When they put in their email, they come to a page that looks like this. There's a video on it with the button underneath, and then they're able to watch the video, see what it's about, and then it has the copy and the text up here, so they'll know, and then they'll watch a video, and then they could get started, by clicking on this button right here. So whenever you're sending traffic to your funnel, it's already doing the follow-up for you, which is very, very important, because people are able to get to know, like, and trust you, and you're able to build a relationship with people that are on your email list, which is very, very important, right? And then you're going to have your domain. You're going to have something to host the site on, right? And then you're going to have to integrate it with the Autoresponder, which basically is what follows up with those people that come into your life. They're coming into your life. They're coming into your sales funnel to see more about you. So the Autoresponder is going to allow you to actually do email marketing with them and be able to build a relationship, right? And then it takes you into some training. You're going to learn how to create your own pages. You're going to learn how to optimize for mobile. You'll learn how to do, exit pops, which keep people within the sales funnel. You're going to also learn how to, track your leads within the builder and everything like that. And so there's a lot that you're going to learn within the system about building out a sales funnel. This is very, very good because there's training, and you also get, commissions for it. So you'll get a $20 commission, and it's $25 a month for this tool right here, right? But I wanted more than just that. So I upgraded to the traffic and conversions portion that gives you a $100 commission. So now you're making $120 per month, being able to use tools, right, and offer them to people that actually help them, right? So you're going to learn about the stuff before traffic. You're going to learn about who your target market is and the bigger picture in marketing, and then you'll learn about free methods. The free methods could be multiple different methods. There's multiple ways how to launch your business, how to invite people, how to follow up, how to get leads on Facebook, how to blog, how to do podcasting. So you're going to have to pick a method in here and be able to actually use that method and get good at it and be able to get results. So that's what will happen, whenever you start learning marketing. And they also have, live training and coaching that you could get. And so we have live face-to-face live face-to-face, coaching right here. And that's what allows you to actually get on a call and talk to our community face to face. And not too many people have that. And it allows you not to get stuck, right? When you get in, you're able to actually start getting results immediately because you're able to get your questions answered and you're able to get up and running faster than if you were to figure it out all on your own. This gives you a $100 commission. So now you're making $120 per month per sign up. And that's how this works. So I just wanted to show you these tools right here, and these are what I use. And there's also a financial literacy academy, which is a course which actually teaches you about how to manage your finances in your business. This gives you a $400 commission on top of everything else, so you can make over $500 and some dollars a month per sign up. And then you'll be able to use that and put that into your business to actually get results and scale your business from there, right? And what this teaches you is how to actually file your taxes, how to eliminate your debt. So you're going to learn how to file your taxes the right way, how to keep your records the right way and plan for the future. And then you're going to learn about other strategies about investing. So once you start making money, you got to know how to invest. You got to know how to actually, put your money in the right place so that way it's not taken in taxes, right? So if you want to learn more about this, make sure you click on the link below this video and also set up a call with me. Anybody who has questions and wants to actually get into this, I'm going to leave the link in the description for a call that you could schedule on my calendar, and I will do a call with you to tie up any loose ends and any questions that you have. Just click on that link, below, and schedule your call with me, because you get a call and I'll be able to help you and guide you through the process of how to set this stuff up and how to get it done, right? And if you like this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and also make sure you get into my Facebook group. That's in the description as well. So that's a free group to get into. You could get into it. You could get value to content and value in there, and loads of value. So make sure you click on the link below this video, get started, and schedule your call, and also get in the Facebook group. All right? Talk to you soon, and bye for now.